Hello guys, welcome to Smart Home. This is Ali Reza, and in this video I have a Kaadas door lock. Using this door lock you can control it by pin code, fingerprint, cards, mechanical key. In addition to these options, Bluetooth or Z-Wave is optional. This door lock has a 3D curved display. It has a self-learning fingerprint sensor, so the more use time, the faster recognition speed. Easily you can have this door lock and control it in your Z-Wave smart home by getting one of these Z-Wave chips and connecting this Z-Wave module into the lock and adding it to Z-Wave network. By removing the battery cover of door lock, you can insert the Z-Wave chip here. As simple as you see. After installing the Z-Wave module into the door lock, you can easily add it to Z-Wave network. To do so, while your gateway is in inclusion mode, you have to enter this door lock to inclusion mode too. How? By pressing the start key twice, entering master pin code, pressing hash button,
Master mode. For user settings, press 1. For system settings, press 2. Records query, press 3. For function extension, press 4.
for function extension pressing 4. By pressing 1, the door lock enters into inclusion mode. Let's add this door lock to Vera control unit. In Vera, in devices page, I select add device, select generic Z-Wave device, select next. Vera enters into inclusion mode and it's ready to add Z-Wave devices to it. It's time to add this door lock into inclusion mode. A start key is pressed twice, master pin code is entered, hash button is pressed, then 4, then 1. Setup succeeded, which means Vera detected the device. In Vera, you can see that the device is detected. It has a name. You can change the name of door lock and you can set a room for it by clicking on finish. Vera starts configuring the device. During this time, you mustn't do anything with Vera, just waiting till configuration is finished. Okay, KXT is added to Vera. So, using Vera control unit, you can unlock door. You can lock it. You can see the battery status or battery level of the door lock. In this video, it is 89%. Even you can set pin codes using Vera control unit by going to the setting of door lock in Vera mobile app, selecting add pin code, entering a name for pin code, then setting pin code. By clicking on save, pin code is added to door lock, and the lock said that enrollment succeeded. Now you can unlock the door lock using entered PIN code.
Verification failed. Verification succeeded. Closed.
If door is locked or unlocked manually, you can see the current status of door lock in your Vera mobile app. You see that as soon as it is locked or unlocked, Vera shows the real status of door lock. Using Vera control unit and Vera mobile, by going to pin codes page of door lock, you can delete pin codes.
Deletion succeeded.
Easily, as you saw, I deleted the pin code. Let's add a pin code to the door lock using its keypad.
Master mode. To set up use, please 2-digit user number. Please enter user PIN code. Please enter again to return to the enrollment succeeded. Please exit master.
I added a pin code to the door lock using its keypad. Let's test it. It's working. Let's go to the pin code page in Vera. I go to the setting of door lock in Vera, select pin codes. No pin code is added to the list of pin codes. So if I enter pin code to the door lock manually, I cannot see it, delete it using Vera mobile app. Also, trying to restrict the pin codes does not work in this Kaadas door lock. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments. By the way, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe button to see more videos about Z-Wave products. Bye bye.